Guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be doing the unboxing of this Zebronics CPU cabinet, and also will be showing you all the stuffs that we will get inside this box. And actually it is just a CPU cabinet from the brand called Zebronics, and its model is something that is Zebronics Odin, something like that. Okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so now let's start unboxing it. And so as you can see that the exterior of this box is nothing very much new. It's very much simple, and the model number, as I told, that it is that is ZEB873B14, this model number. And also here the MRP is written, that is around 3,299 rupees, but in Amazon you will get it a little bit cheaper price. And so I will be posting the purchase link in the description box down below. You guys can definitely buy it from that link. And so let's start unboxing it. And so it's a very big package, and so it will take time, I guess, to unbox it. Okay, so So as you can see that the packing is very much good, as here it is, and inside you get another box. Let me cut it open also. Now let's remove the lower portion of this box.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here is the box, as you can see, and the packaging is very good. It is of no use for now, and let me remove this. Okay, so okay, so these are the packaging is overall good, as you can see. So let me remove it for now. And so here is the main thing, as you can see. So let me remove this packing. Okay, so here it is, as you can see that this side you will get this kind of glass finish, because if you want to install any RGB lighting or something like that inside this CPU, then it will show up because of this transparent glass. So it is very much simple. All you need to remove all those screws and you can install everything. And here all you get, that is in the front side you will find this kind of design. Here it is completely plain, and here you will find an RGB fan, something like that. Here it will be, as it will be shown in the other images. As you can see that in the Amazon website also it was shown that here you will find an RGB fan. Also I will be posting the installation video of this particular CPU, that is this particular thing I will be also be posting. And here at the top side you will get all those ports, that is here you will find the pen drive, and all the other ports you will find here. Here you will find the headphone jack and the mic port, all you will get at the front side of it. And as most of the cases we generally see that these ports are present in front of this, but here it is provided at the top, so it is a new kind of design. And overall it looks very much premium. And it is the front side, that is this portion only is made of plastic, and the rest of the portion is completely made of I think it's metal or something like that. And as I told you that this side which will be facing your PC, that is this side is made of glass, as you can see that, so that the RGB light when whatever you install inside this, because of this glass you can see it. And here this side you will find the completely plain and nothing new here, as you can see that it is completely plain here. And here at the back side you will get all those sections where you can install all those stuffs. I will be showing the installation video. In the installation video I will be describing all those stuff. And also you will get a inbuilt fan inside it. And okay, so let me check one. Okay, so yes, you will get two built-in RGB light fans inside it, that is at the back side here, and another one is at the front side here. As you can see, if you can't see, here it is. After you install it, you can completely get a clear view of this. Here at the front side you will get an inbuilt fan or cooler or something like that, and at the back side also you will get another fan that is inbuilt. With it, all you need to do is to connect it and you are good to go. And all those stuffs are pretty much same, as you can see that, and it is of a very compact size. Okay, so at the bottom side, let me show you. At the bottom side everything is very nicely done, and from its price point of view it is definitely a good product, as you can see. And here at the bottom you will find this kind of padding is done, so that it doesn't move whenever you place it on any surface, because of that rubber gripping, all those stuff to keep it steady like this, and it will not move. And overall the weight is very the weight is not very much, and it is very much lightweight, as you can see. Although it is made up of it has a metal body, but still it is of very lightweight, as you can see that. And because of this glass panel, it will look more beautiful whenever you will be installing all those stuffs like that. And these are some of the things that you will be needing in the installation process. And everything, as you can see, that is pretty much simple, and there is nothing very much decorative in the front or something like that. Those of you who love to make your PC a minimalistic one or something like that, then you can definitely go for this. And here you can see that the model is written, that is Odin, and all those stuffs are pretty much good, and it is of a very minimalistic design and simple looking. At the top side also you will find this power button, as you can see. This is the power button and this is the restart button, as we mostly get in all those CPUs that we purchase. And here you get two pen drive ports, and here is something different port is given. And also you will be getting a headphone jack as well as a mic port also. So those of you who do streaming or all those stuffs like that, you can definitely connect your microphone with your PC directly. Here, as you can see that the port is also provided here, and also you will be provided with this headphone jack as well along with it. And so overall to me it's very good, and it's very lightweight, as you can see that, because whenever you install all those stuff, that is processor, motherboard inside it, then it adds some weight to it, but it itself is very much lightweight. And so I don't think that after you install all those stuff it will be of very heavy weight or something like that. And overall this is all for this unboxing video. hope you like this video, and so please share it. And also I will be posting the installation video of this, and also will be showing you all those RGB lighting and those fans and everything, all sorts of in that installation video. And so please subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next one.
So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying this kind of Zebronics CPU cabinets for themselves. And thanks for watching, and also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that whenever I post the installation video of this CPU cabinet, you will get notified. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.